Good evening to you. So here the problem is like this. So first in bracket, first you have to consider BODMAS. So first you have to prefer for bracket. In that bracket, first you have to do inside of the circular bracket. That means inside of this you have to do first inside of this, and then curly brackets, then square brackets. In this order, yes. 18 first divided by kada. Inside again you have to follow TMOS. 8 by 8. Okay na? Minus 5. Very good. In this manner you have to do. Plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. In the next step, 5 here you have to take. And here 1 you have a 8 is the remainder. Okay. So 8 LCM. 18 minus. Here you have to multiply with 8. So 40 you will get. Minus 30. Why we are doing like this? Inside we have a fraction type. Yes, 18 by 8 means fraction. So you'll get here 5 into 40 minus 18, how much Nana? 22 by 8. Minus will comes. Minus 30 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. Here with 2 table we can cancel. 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 1s are. So here 11 into 5. Now you can multiply Nana. Off means bracket will indicate the number before the bracket means multiplication. Okay na? Here you have to do multiplication. 11 into 5. 55 minus 55 by 4 minus 30 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. Next you have to do bracket only. ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళొద్దు. Why? Because ఈ బ్రాకెట్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ బ్రాకెట్ ఆల్సో దేర్. దీస్ ఆల్సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫినిష్. ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు దీన్ని ఫినిష్ చేసి కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఓకేనా? హియర్ ద ఎల్సిఎం ఈస్ 4 minus 55. Here we have to multiply 4 with 30. 4 into 3 12. 120 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. So here what is the answer means? Minus minus. Both will be added. Yes, minus 175 by 4. So plus 2 into 10 minus divided by 5. We can remove this curly bracket because minus sign already we got. So in that manner we got. So next you have to do division. DMAS rule. Now brackets finished, off finished. DMAS rule you have to follow. This one you do first. Here we will get 2. 2 into 2. Okay. Minus 170 by 4. So 2 2s are. Next you have to do multiplication. Minus 175 by 4. 2 2s are. 4 will comes. Okay. Next you have to do the LCM here. So 4 is the LCM. Here we got 1. Minus 175 plus 4 4s are 16. Now you subtract 16 from the 175. So 15 minus 6, 9. 6 minus 1, 5. 1 minus 159 by 4 is the answer for that. So long one only your teacher given. Okay. See. Now what you are saying, now you can say Nana. Next we are going to start knowing our numbers. So numbers we are using in our daily life, most probably we are using. Yes, in our daily life we are most probably using numbers. Actually, how many runs in cricket match? How many runs? Yes. And wickets. Yes, wickets. Balls. How many balls? Number of days in a month. Number of months in a year. Number of days in a week. Number of people. Number of classes. Which class you are studying? For that also number we are using. How much? What is your age? 8 years, 9 years. Like that only you will tell. Yes. 10 years. So in that manner, in our daily life, most probably we are living with numbers only. Yes, without numbers, nothing will do. We can measure with numbers. Yes, and we can count with numbers. Always we are using in our daily life, most probably numbers. And under that, Roman numbers also we'll use. Yes, these all are comes under Roman numbers. You got idea already. You have idea on this, I think. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all are Roman numbers. Indo-Arabic numbers. Whatever we are using now, these are Indo-Arabic numbers. Okay? Indo-Arabic numbers. And numerals. Numerals means the symbols denote to numbers. Numerals are the symbols denote to numerals. And these all are by combination of digits from 0 to 9. Yes, the digits from 0 to 9 we are considering for formation of numbers in the form of numerals. A group of digits is called a group of digits is called a numeral. And the formation of numbers in this numeration form lo groups chestu digit ni symbols ni group chestu numbers form cheste, that is called as numeration. Okay, numerals means group of digits, group of symbols. And already we have discussed in previous topic fractions or else decimals. In that only about place value and face value I explained you. Yes, decimals chapter. In that I explained you already about place value. Each place represents 10 times the one which is immediately to its right. Yes, 10 times which is immediately to its right. That means 10 times the one which is immediately to its right means here 1. So it's right. If we observe, it's right. From that side, book side we observe means the right of that is 10. Yes. And the right of that is 10 into 10. And again the right of that is 10 into 10. Each time it is increased by 10 times. Yes. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place and 10,000s place. These all are the place values. And what is the place value of 8 here? 8 into 1000. 8,000 is the place value of 8. Okay, na? So, in that manner we can understand. So, here we have to do, see, 34,343. 3 ones, yes, 4 tens are 40 is the place value of 4. And 300s are 300 is the place value of 3. 4,000s, thousands are 4,000 is the place value of 4. And 3 10,000s are 30,000. Yes, the place value of 3 is 3 10,000s are 30,000. Directly we can call. This one is very easy only because already decimals we discussed means this one is very clear and very easy than that. Decimals lo manam 1000th, 100th and chesam kada. Here we have to do only thousands, 10,000s, hundreds. Digits, decimal places not. Here about whole numbers only we are discussing. Numbers, natural numbers we are using. Generally, whole numbers we are using. And decimal numbers is decimal points is different. That we have discussed in decimals chapter. You got that one. So, while comparing both decimals and these are very much easy than fractions and decimals. Yes, you can get easily this all. And comparing and ordering of the larger number and smaller number. How can we compare? By place value. First we have to start the maximum place value. దగ్గర నుంచి start చేసి compare చేయాలి. What is the maximum place value? 3 here. Here 1. Which one is bigger? This one is bigger. So, ఇది same number of digits ఉన్నప్పుడు. Or else we have different number of digits. Different number of digits means, for example, 3036, 336 and 36, 6 and 306. Among this, which one is greatest? 4-digit number is greatest. Yes, 1-digit number is smallest. Easily we can say in that manner. Idi easy. Compare cheyadam easy. Different number of digits unnappudu compare cheyadam, that is very much easy. And while coming to the same number of digits, any numbers having same number of digits, at that time it is important to compare. So first we have to start with highest place value. Highest place nunchi start cheyali. At that time, here place value we need to compare. Place value. FASE place is different. PLACE place is different. Place value means exact, absolute value which present there. Okay? And place value means we have to consider the value of the place also. Yes? The value of the place. Place kunna value ni kuda chudali. 1's place, 10's place like that. Okay? So, face ante బయటికి కనిపించేది వాట్ ఎవర్ వీఆర్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ దట్ 3 is a place value and place value is 3000. 1 ki face value 1, place value 1000. Is it okay, Nana? Kaushik, clear only? And this successor and predecessor నీకు తెలుసు +1 -1. Yesterday only you told about that. And the next one is arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Yes, how can we arrange in ascending order? By comparing. See, which one is bigger among these? Ascending means small to big. Yes, small to big. Don't get confused. Ascending means increasing order. Increasing undalante small to big undali. Yes, increasing order or increasing order. Increasing order. Ascending means increasing order. Here, what is the smallest number among these all? What is the smallest number among these all? So first, all are 5-digit numbers only. So 10,000 place, if we observe, all are same. So next go through with thousands place. 10,000s place compare cheyandi. So which one is smaller among all these? This one is smaller. One is smaller. So that one will comes first. And the remaining low, which one is smaller? These two are same. So here these are same means go through with next digit. Go through with next digit. Those are also same. This one is second one. 35,810 is second one. 35,816 is third one. And the biggest one is 36,819. In that manner you have to do. Ascending order means increasing order or small to big. Okay na? Next one is descending order means decreasing order. Okay, decreasing order. That means bigger to small. Big to small. So say, Nana, which one is big among all these? Are you watching clear screen only? Yes, which one is bigger among these? All are 5-digit numbers. First digit is same for all. So leave about that and consider the second digit. Here 2 we have, here 4 we have, here 6 we have, here 2 we have. Which one is bigger? 6 is bigger. Yes, this one is bigger. So 86,142 comes first. And the next remaining low, which one is bigger? Here next digit is 2, here 4, here 2. So this one comes. Yes, 84,126. This one is also finished in the second case. And among these two digits are same. So go through with third digit. So hundreds place. 4 here we have, 6 here we have. Which will comes first? This one will comes first. 82,641 will comes first. And the last one is 82,416. Big to small. Decreasing order we wrote. Okay na? Is it clear for you? Ascending and descending orders. No need to worry about this chapter. You can do very well. Very easy chapter while comparing to the all others. And here, see, I am a 5. This is higher order thinking question from the exercise 1. Okay, 1A. And I am a 5-digit number. My ones digit is 3. Okay, na? Ones digit, they only given, Nana. Ones digit is 3. They only given. Keep that one aside. And my 100th, not 100th. My 100th digit is 2 times my ones digit. Ante 100 digit ente, Nana? How much? 100 digit? 2 times the ones ante 2 into 3, 6. Okay na? Keep like that. And my 10th digit is sum of ones digit and hundreds digit. Ante 10th place lo unnadi sum of these two antunnadu. Ante by adding these two 10th place digit will comes. 6 plus 3 how much, Nana? 9. Okay, every information he only given. And the next one is my thousands place is 10,000 digits is 1 less than hundreds digit. My thousands and 10,000 digit is same, Nana. Both are same. 1 less than the 100 digit. 100 digit enti 6 kante 1 takku antunnadu. 1 less than. Both are same. They only given my thousands and 10,000 digits are 1 less than hundreds digit. దీనికంటే 1 less than ఉన్నాయంట. That means 55,693 is the number. Here first one answer is what number I am? What number am I means 55,693. From the given data only I wrote. Okay na? Don't get confused. Write my successor. Successor of this is add 1. 55,694 plus 1 we have to do. Yes? So in that manner, am I greater than or less than the number 55,000? Here they only given a 55,936. So here this is less than this or greater than this? Less than a greater than a 900 they have given, but we got 694. Yes, 693 we have. Here 936 is bigger. Yes, am I greater or lesser than the given number? Greater is the answer here. Okay na? Greater. This one is greater because here it is 693, here 936. Okay, Kaushik? Okay, easy only na this chapter or tough you are feeling any? Difficulty or easy, very easy, dead easy. And you done fractions and all, well, decimals also. This is very much easy, I know. And write all possible 3-digit numbers without repeating the digits. Now, from here onwards, making numbers, Nana. వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన digit తోని any 3 digits iste we have to make 3-digit number from that. By repeating digits also we can do 4-digit numbers. Without repeating also we can do. In that manner they will give conditions. Okay, here digits they will give, we have to form the numbers from that. So write all possible 3-digit numbers without repeating the digits by using the given digits. Here all possible 3-digit numbers means 3 digits. Write down the 3-digit numbers with the help of these. Highest to lowest will write. Okay na? Highest which will comes 765 is the highest among the from these numbers. Okay, and the next one is 756. Okay na? 2 we got. Next here first digit I am taking as 675 and 657, and the next is 576 and 567. How many we got totally? 6 digits from 6 numbers from these 3 digits. And here from this we can make largest number 920 will comes. Yes, and 902 will comes, and 290 will comes, 209 will comes. This much only, Nana, because first to 0 if we take means that will become as 2-digit number. 2-digit number అవుతుంది కదా. 92 and 29 these are excluded. These are not considered as 3-digit numbers కావు కదా. So only 4 we can. If any digit among that 0 ఉందనుకోండి, only 4 we can make. All are numbers not 0. At that time we can make 6 numbers from that. Okay na? Is it okay for you? Next one is use the given digits without repetition and make the smallest and the greatest 4-digit numbers without repetition, Anna. So say the greatest number from this 2156. Greatest రావాలంటే greatest number నుంచి all great to small రాసుకుంటూ రావాలి. Descending order లో రాయాలి. Okay, 6521 is the greatest number. Okay, greatest. Next smallest you say, Nana. Smallest means from small number to big number. Ascending order లో రాసుకుంటూ రావాలి ఇచ్చిన numbers. Okay na? 1256. Okay, so this is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. Is it okay for you? Now you say about this. దీనికి చెప్పు greatest. ఈ digit తోనే greatest number you say. Greatest number with the help of these. Descending order లో రాయనా. ఇచ్చిన numbers ని descending order లో రాయాలి. Just a minute. Greatest. Write down greatest number from this descending order. Which one is bigger here? 9. Next. Next. Very good. 0. This is the greatest number. Okay na? Smallest you say. Smallest 4-digit only. So first we don't need to take 0 తీసుకోవద్దు first. Because 0 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో we'll get 3-digit number. So 0 next తీసుకుందాం. except 0, which one is the smallest? 7. Okay na? 7. No, 0 first you have to take, 0 you have to take, then 8, then 9. Okay na? This is the smallest number. Smallest కావాలంటే 0 నెక్స్ట్ ప్లేస్ లో తీసుకోవచ్చు, బట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ లో తీసుకుంటే 3 డిజిట్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ వదిలేసి దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ నెక్స్ట్ స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ యూ కంటిన్యూ యాజ్ అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్. ఓకేనా? 0, 8, 9. ఓకేనా? ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఫర్ యూ? ఈజీ ఓన్లీ, you can write easily. And one more thing I want to discuss with you. Make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number by using any one digit twice. ఒక digit ని twice use చేసి కూడా చేయొచ్చు. Yes? So in that manner also we can do. And just a minute, I'll come back. Okay na? I'll come back within 5 minutes I'll come back. We have to use twice. Any digit we have to use twice. So among this, we can use any one twice, and 4-digit number, which one is greatest? So for that, greatest number twice we have to use. Smallest kaite smaller number we have to use twice. Greatest number ki greater number we have to use twice. Okay na? In that manner. And next we have to take which one? Bigger one only we have to take. Okay na? Big number to small, because here we are using we are taking greatest number, and the smallest you say na, smallest number, which one we can use 2 times? 3 we can use 2 times, then 4, then 8. Okay na? This is the twice we can repeat smallest number with the help of given 3 digits. We can write in this manner. Is it okay? గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్ కేమో 2 times పెద్ద నెంబర్ యూజ్ చేయాలి, ఇచ్చిన వాటిలో ట్వైస్ యూజ్ చేయమన్నాడు కదా. అండ్ స్మాలెస్ట్ అన్నప్పుడు స్మాల్ నెంబర్ 2 times యూజ్ చేయాలి. నోయింగ్ అవర్ నెంబర్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ, బట్ స్మాల్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఇస్ దేర్. భయపడకుండా ఆలోచిస్తే సరిపోతుంది, కొంచెం బ్రెయిన్ పెట్టి థింక్ చేస్తే యూ కెన్ గెట్ క్లియర్ ఐడియా ఆన్ దిస్. ఓకేనా? గ్రేటెస్ట్ ట్వైస్ యూజ్ చేయమన్నాడు ఒక నెంబర్ ని, అంటే ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్స్ లో ఏదైతే బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుందో దాన్ని 2 times యూజ్ చేస్తే గ్రేటెస్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఏదైతే స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుందో దాన్ని 2 times యూజ్ చేస్తే యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఎ స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ బై యూజింగ్ ట్వైస్. సో మీకు ఫామ్ అయ్యే మొత్తం నెంబర్స్ లో ఇదే బిగ్గెస్ట్, ఇదే స్మాలెస్ట్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దీస్. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఇయర్ హౌ మెనీ 4-digit టోటల్ గివెన్ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్ మొత్తంలో, ఓకే, ఇండో అరబిక్ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్ కంప్లీట్ గా 4-digit నెంబర్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? దట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ అన్న. హౌ మెనీ 4-digit నెంబర్స్ ఇన్ అవర్ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్? సో ఇయర్ 1000 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి కదా. 1000 బిఫోర్ ఏముంటుంది? 999 ఏమవుతుంది? 3-digit నెంబర్ అవుతుంది కదా. అప్ టు ఇయర్ 999 నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి మనకి. సో 1000 ఆన్వర్డ్స్ 4-digit నెంబర్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఎక్కడ ఎండ్ అవుతాయి నాన్న? 9999. దీని తర్వాత మళ్ళీ 5-digit నెంబర్ 10,000 వస్తుంది కదా. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయో తెలియాలంటే ఏం చేయాలో తెలుసా? యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకేనా? యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ దిస్ వన్, ఇది తీసుకొని మైనస్ దిస్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ. 999 తీసేయాలి. ఓకేనా? 9999 లాస్ట్ 4-digit నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దాంట్లోంచి లాస్ట్ 3-digit నెంబర్ తీసేయాలి. దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ 9000 నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి నాన్న. 9000 4-digit నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి మనకి టోటల్ గా. ఓకేనా? 4-digit నెంబర్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 9000 ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఇయర్ హౌ మెనీ 6-digit నెంబర్స్ అంటున్నాడు. 6-digit నెంబర్స్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి? 1 lakh. 1 lakh లో ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 4 5 6 కదా. అక్కడి నుంచి 9,99,999 వరకు కూడా 6-digit నెంబర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs లో ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉంటాయి? 7 digits ఉంటాయి. బిఫోర్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ 9,99,000. 1 lakh ki before 99,999. Yes, 1000 before. So you have to subtract this from 9,99,999 minus 99,999. So we'll get 9 lakhs numbers. Any 6-digit numbers ఉంటాయి? 9 lakhs. Okay na? బ్లైండ్ గా కూడా నువ్వు చెప్పొచ్చు 1000 నుంచి 991 వరకు ఎన్ని 4 డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి 9000 ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ 9 lakhs ఉంటాయి ఓకేనా 6 డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్ 9 lakhs ఉంటాయి టోటల్ అన్ని కలిపి ఓకే in this manner you can get idea. I think you got clear idea. You can subtract in this manner also, you'll get the answer. Okay, so you got one doubt here. Yes, confusion. So once again we'll do that problem. Okay na, another problem will select 5 digit numbers and nuntai 2 digit numbers and nuntai. In that manner we'll discuss once in the latter. Okay, write the greatest and the smallest 5 digit numbers using all of the following digits by using any one digit twice. So here see 6382. Now only I told repeating twice, only one number repeating twice. Here we have to repeat greatest number among the given. So greatest number ni manam repeat cheyali. 8 is the greatest number. Yes, so 8 ni nenu repeat chestunnanu. Then in descending order we can write 632. That is the greatest avutundi. Okay na, and the next one is smallest annappudu small number you have to take twice. You have to take small number twice. Then ascending order you have to write 368. Okay na, this is the smallest number, this is the greatest number by using the given numbers digits. And here you say Nana, what is the greatest number? You only say greatest number. Kaushik, say using these digits 289. Indulo greatest one edi? How can we take greatest number? We have to start. Yes, because from this you have to make greatest. దీని నుంచి మనం greatest number ఫామ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నావు కాబట్టి ఇందులో greatest one ఫస్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో 5 digit number కావాలి కాబట్టి దీన్ని రిపీట్ చెయ్యి ఓకేనా. దెన్ descending order say 8 first comes, 2 next comes, last 1 will comes. So this is the greatest number by using the given digits. And the smallest you say smallest. Twice you have to take 1 Nana. Smallest among all this is 1 kada. So 1 you have to take twice. And next you have to write in ascending order 289. Okay na? So this is the great. You only say Nana. Now you only say. I don't want to repeat. You only say 1057. Which one will comes first? Greatest number. Greatest 5 digit number, not 4 digit. So you have to repeat first digit. Okay na? Biggest ne repeat cheyali. First edi vastundi cheppu. Biggest edi among these all? Here. Screen clear only for you? Which one will greater in among these? వీటన్నిటిలో పెద్దది ఏది? డిజిట్స్ లో బిగ్గర్ డిజిట్ ఏది? 7 కదా. 7 ని 2 times తీసుకోవాలి ఎందుకంటే 1 digit twice రిపీట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు కదా. బిగ్గెస్ట్ కావాలంటే ఆ బిగ్గెస్ట్ దాన్నే మనం twice రిపీట్ చేయాలి. దెన్ డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ యూసే. ఈ మూడిట్లలో డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ చెప్పు. బిగ్గర్ వన్ ఏది? 501 లో 5 బిగ్గర్ కదా. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ బిగ్గర్ 1 కదా, లాస్ట్ 0. ఓకేనా. అండ్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ యూసే నౌ. స్మాలెస్ట్ 0 ఫస్ట్ తీసుకోవడానికి ఛాన్స్. Here see, for smallest we have to repeat smallest number. So 0 is the smallest number and we have to start with next smallest number rather than 0 and repeat 2 zeros. So here because I am repeating 0 only for getting smallest number. So 2 times we have to take 0. Then next ascending order we have to follow. 57. So 10,057 is the smallest number and 77,510 is the greatest number by using these digits. 5 digit numbers we got now. So next we have to consider these digits 5703. The greatest means we have to repeat the greatest digit. So 7 is the greatest digit. Repeat 7 2 times and take the descending order 530. So 77,530 is the greatest number. And for smallest number we have to take 3, not 0 first, because 0, if we take 0 means we'll get only 4 digit number. So take 3 first, then After that, the smallest number you repeat 2 times. 0 you have to repeat 2 times for getting smallest number. Next, in ascending order, remaining 5, 7. So 30,057 is the smallest number. So in this manner, you can get the greatest and smallest numbers. ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ ఇస్తే నార్మల్ ఫామ్ రాయడం, నార్మల్ ఫామ్ ఇస్తే ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ రాయడం నీకు తెలుసు. ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ అంటే ఏంటి నానా? 7836. ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ ఎలా రాస్తావు? 7 into 1000, yes, plus 8 into 100, plus 3 into 10, plus 6 into 1. ఇదేనా ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ ఫర్ దిస్? Okay, in that manner you can write it. It is easy only, no need to discuss. Okay na? And the next one is find the difference between the place values of the following. Here 6 low, here 6 we have, here 6 we have. Okay na? What is the place value of this 6 nana? Place value of this 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Kada? So 6 into 1 lakh. 6 into 1 lakh is equals to 6 lakhs. Kada? Next, for this place value enta? For this 6 into 10. How much? 60. So you have to subtract, then we will get the difference. Difference between the place values annadu kada. 0 minus 0, 0. Here we have 10 minus 6, 4. 9 we have, 9 we have, 9 we have, 5. So 9995. So 5,99,940 is the difference. Okay na? Here 5 we have, nana, 5, 945. So 5, sorry, 40 only, 40 only. So this much is the difference between the place values. ఈ రెండిటికి place values ki difference that much. Okay na? So just a minute.